Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Wednesday, April 24th, and we thought it would be fun to look back at the original patterns and original quilts that we commissioned and made for QuiltCon. QuiltCon kind of came and went, and then we had the Capital Quilters Guild show, and then we had our handmade market. So I feel like we haven't really given you a lot of time and space to appreciate the original patterns that we had at QuiltCon. So one of the original patterns that we had was by local designer Vicky Price. It's called Sea of Pearls. It's a really great pattern, and it's also a great pattern for a more beginner or junior level quilter because it still has a lot of punch and a lot of power, but it's not a lot of really difficult piecing. So we do have these patterns and kits available in the store now. So if you'd like to try your hand at Sea of Pearls would love to have you as well. And then these are two quilts that I commissioned the patterns from by my friend Kaylee of Koi Pond Quilts. Kaylee is actually based in the UK. And so she and I did some Zooms, and she was actually on a one of our daily videos. I did a interview with her last year. So these are Venus Flytrap and Spring the Trap. This one is called Venus Flytrap, and they are paper pieced. So these are definitely not for beginner quilters. But they're also really, really fun. And the reason that I commissioned Venus flytraps in general is that they are only native to North Carolina and a tiny little part of South Carolina on the coasts. So I really like Venus flytraps. I have a couple at home, and they are really fun to watch, really fun to make. And we have these kits and patterns available in the shop as well. We also have at least these and possibly that one available as a digital download. So if you don't want to wait or you don't want to pay for shipping, you can go ahead and get a digital download. I will tell you the Venus flytrap patterns are like 50 to 70 pages each. So you may be better off just buying a printed pattern from us. So that's what we have for you today. We just didn't want to let the time pass without sharing our QuiltCon quilts with you in case you were not able to be with us at QuiltCon or you didn't get a full look at them when you were there. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.